Let me see. Yeah, you come back. Yeah, that's cool. About to get this Caprice fixed, man. Got my boy John Boy, silent killer in the building. Trying to get this Caprice ready. It's been a long time coming. Long time coming. But I knew that I wanna run. I wanna run, I wanna run. Where I come from, where I come from. Yeah, man, so we're up here. I'm about to get on the lift. About to have to go pick up the rear end. Rear end is broke up under here, y'all. Talking about towed up with a hole in it. Won't move. We'll get into a bind, making all kind of noises. I'm talking about, I don't know what's wrong with it, but we got a replacement for it. Let's go get this replacement. That was heavy. Just to get right there. Didn't even pick up now.
Yeah, this like two toes.
Two toes. Very heavy. Yeah, this gonna make a difference. I'm gonna let my grandma drive now. There we go. Got my rear end on there, strapped down real good. About to take it up here and take care of business. Do you hear me? Let's get it. Alright. We done got it lowered down. You ready?
Hercules.
You ready, my friend? Yeah. Okay, he said he ready.
Hey, will it be ready? Will it be ready later tonight?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe. Hell nah.
Yeah,
We're gonna race tonight.
we're going to the track, man.
Maybe 2 weeks. Hey, it's 4 boats.
4 boats.
4 boats and 3 in the dry shaft.
4 boats, that's it. No, two.
The opposite. 4 boats.
No, it's not 4 boats. I need a U.
4 boats, it's okay.
No, I need a U one time for the one time. Mira. Everything looking good, ain't it?
Nowhere near ready today.
Yeah, he getting it ready. He analyzing. He doing the inspection. Yeah, easy, man. Easy.
You said the last time you did it?
Nah, I was on the ground when I did it. Y'all gotta lift. I don't even think y'all gotta change the plugs. I think them plugs gonna plug right up. Yeah, it's about to go there. I'm gonna put this in there. Now I'm about to head out here, y'all. Get on this airplane. You know what I'm saying? Head out here to H-Town to go get a part. Y'all stay tuned and check out this next video. It's about to go down. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out.